Oi gente, tudo bem com vocês? Espero que sim. Para quem me conhece, meu nome é Carol. Para quem tá chegando agora, também se inscreva aqui, já deixe seu gostei, ative o sininho de notificação para que você possa ser notificado pelos próximos vídeos que vai vir aqui. E hoje o vídeo vai ser eu organizando aqui a geladeira, né? Limpando ela, que tava precisando, tava cheia de gelo. A minha não é aquela de gelo seco, é frost free. Aí eu tenho que ficar toda vez descongelando ela quando ela tá cheia. Aí eu vou dar uma limpada nela. Já descongelei já. Ela tá assim, já descongelou aqui. Aí eu vou dar uma organizada aqui nela. Tá vazia, tá? Porque a gente ainda não fez compra. Aí eu vou dar uma organizada aqui nela. E vou gravar pra vocês também. Antes de eu limpar a geladeira, eu fui lá no mercado. Comprei umas frutas, né? Banana, uva e maçã aqui. Batata doce, iogurte, milho para as galinhas aqui. Umas verdurinhas que eu vou fazer essa carne moída aqui que eu comprei. E um todinho pra essa criança. Oi. Fala oi.
Oi.
Agora sim, eu vou começar a esvaziar aqui a geladeira para lavar ela.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. Trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
Pronto, gente, já lavei os coisas de dentro da geladeira. Aí agora eu vou limpar ela por dentro. Eu vou colocar aqui um pouquinho de água. E água sanitária, né, gente? Eu boto pra sair aquele odor de geladeira mesmo que fica, né? Um cheiro estranho. Aí eu boto aqui água sanitária e coloco também detergente. Aí nisso eu vou fazendo a limpeza da geladeira.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing. and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion. Even though I offer all of the solutions, I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless, I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt, never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm, I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something.
Já terminei de lavar ela aqui, já limpei, enxuguei. Agora eu vou enxugar os coisas dela aqui pra guardar.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay.
Já coloquei as coisas dele aqui. Agora vou colocar o que tem aqui na mesa, que é pra geladeira, pra pôr aqui. Ela é uma geladeira usada, gente. Por isso que tem essas marquinhas aqui de ferrugem. A gente também mora perto da praia. Aí a maresia come tudo, sabe? Então, quando eu vim morar aqui, né? Porque meu marido já mora aqui. Aí ele comprou essa geladeira aqui de segunda mão mesmo. Aí ela tá assim, tá boazinha, sabe? Só tá um pouquinho enferrujada porque aqui, como nós moramos perto da praia, aí a maresia come, sabe? Então bora lá. Pronto, gente, fica assim. Eu organizei assim. Aqui é feijão congelado. Aqui tem umas frutas, tem iogurte, o suco ali. Que a minha jarra alta tava ocupada, eu coloquei o suco aqui. Aí tem aqui os restos de comida que eu guardo. Algumas frutas que eu coloco na geladeira. Aqui embaixo desse gavetão, eu organizo assim. Eu pego esses potes de sorvete e coloco assim para não ficar espalhado. Aqui também na porta. Assim. E ela tá limpinha. Aqui, como eu já disse, é o ferrugem, a maresia aqui. De lado também tá, sabe? Esse lado daqui tá menos. E ainda tá mais, sabe, ali embaixo. Bom, gente, esse foi o vídeo de hoje. Espero muito que vocês tenham gostado. É dessa forma assim que eu organizo a minha geladeira. Assim, não tem muito para mostrar mais. Foi só isso mesmo. Espero muito que vocês gostem. Se você gostou, já deixe seu gostei. Se inscreva aqui no canal, que isso me ajuda muito. Ative o sininho de notificação para que você possa vir receber os próximos vídeos que eu irei gravar. Até o próximo vídeo. Tchau!